how to connect Hostinger domain to another Hostinger hosting. First, sign into your Hostinger Edge panel, then click on domains from the left hand side, and from within your domain portfolio you just want to find the domain which you are trying to use and click on manage. Now from the left hand side you will need to select DNS/name servers and make sure that the name servers are set to Hostinger's name servers. So use Hostinger name servers and click on save. Now we can go to the website. So go into website list, and if your domain is connected to a website here, you will click on the three dots and then you will click on change domain. Now right here you just want to click on or mark this and select change. Here you can use a temporary domain for that website. And now if you have another website ready, you can simply add it here. You can add the domain which we just changed the name servers for to that other website which we talked about. So you will find it here. So give me some time. Okay, so right here you can go and click on add website, and then you can choose the type of website you want to use. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.